Good morning, Miami. What a beautiful day. It is so sunny outside.
I love Saturday mornings.
No work, just me and the sun.
I want to text Isabella.
We should do something fun today.
Wait, a picnic. Yes, a picnic at the park.
Hey girl, picnic today? Say yes.
A text from Elena. Picnic today? Say yes.
Oh, that sounds so nice.
I love picnics.
I will say yes.
Yes, I love that idea. I will bring cookies. And my sketchbook, too.
Okay, food time.
We need sandwiches. And fruit. And juice. Honestly, girl, I am so hungry.
Bread, cheese, tomato, a little salt.
Perfect.
2 for me, 2 for Isabella.
She loves cheese. So much cheese.
Sandwiches? Done.
Apples?
Done. Grapes? Done.
Juice? Wait, where is the juice?
Oh, in the back of the fridge.
Got it. Okay, we are good.
Hi, I'm here.
Isabella, come in, come in.
I brought cookies.
Oh, you have no idea. I love your cookies.
I made them last night.
Wait, you made them? From what?
My mom's recipe with extra butter. My mom's recipe with extra butter.
That's the vibe. I love that.
Maybe they are not perfect.
Stop. They look amazing.
Really? You think so?
Yes, really. Stop worrying.
Okay. Thank you, Elena.
Thank you for making them.
Okay, let me check everything.
Sandwiches, fruit, juice, cookies.
Do we have cups?
Cups. Good thinking. I will get cups from the kitchen.
And we need a blanket.
The big blue blanket. I know where it is. Wait here. Here it is.
That's so beautiful. I love the color.
It's perfect for the park. So warmly, girl. You have no idea. Wait, listen. I love that for you. That's the vibe.
Like a little bed outside.
Okay, I think we have everything.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's go.
The weather is so amazing.
It really is. Look at that sky.
Not one cloud.
I love days like this.
Me too.
The park is 10 minutes away.
Perfect. Let's walk slow.
Yes, no rush today. Wait. Oh no.
What? What is it? Maybe
The sunscreen.
sunscreen?
I forgot the sunscreen.
Oh, we need it. The sun is very strong today.
I know, I have to go back.
It's okay. Go. I will wait. I will wait here.
2 minutes. I promise.
Take your time. It's okay. It is so warm today. I can hear the birds. That's so beautiful. I love this city.
Got it. Honestly, girl, you have no idea. Wait, listen. I love that for you. That's the vibe.
That was fast.
I know where everything is. Mostly.
Mostly?
Okay, for real this time. Let's go.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
I was thinking about my new painting.
The ocean one?
Yes, I want to use new colors.
Like what?
Pink and gold for the sunset.
Oh, I love that for you.
The water will be pink.
And the sky?
Gold. Warm gold. Maybe. I'm not sure yet.
You always say that.
Say what?
I'm not sure. And then it's amazing.
You are too nice to me.
I'm just honest, girl.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Oh no. Wait, listen.
What now? Maybe. That's so beautiful. Can I tell you something? I was thinking.
The forks.
Forks?
We have no forks. No forks at all.
Oh no.
I have to go back. Again.
Again?
I know. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's funny.
It is funny.
I will wait at that bench.
5 minutes. I promise.
Go, go. I will draw something.
You are the best. You know that?
This bench is nice. I can see the water from here. I will draw a little. Just the trees and the light. The light is so soft today. I love this.
Okay. Forks and napkins.
Good job. Maybe. That's so beautiful. Can I tell you something? I was thinking.
And I brought plates too.
Oh, smart. Very smart.
I checked 3 times. We have everything.
Are you sure? Really sure?
Yes, I am really sure this time.
Okay, I believe you.
Wait. Oh no.
Elena? No.
Water. We forgot water bottles.
You are joking.
I am not joking.
Elena?
I know.
How many times now?
This is number 3. I am the worst picnic planner.
No, you are the funniest.
Same thing?
Same thing.
Okay, last trip, I promise.
I will be right here.
Last time, I mean it.
She forgot water. Again.
She is so funny. I love her so much. She works so hard for this picnic. She works so hard for this picnic? I will add more trees here.
Water. 2 big bottles.
My hero. This time we have everything. You said that before.
This time I mean it. I really do.
Okay, let's go. Please.
Let's go. We are here.
Oh, Elena, look at this place.
I know, it's perfect.
The grass is so green.
And the ocean is right there.
I can smell the salt in the air.
That's the vibe.
It was worth the 3 trips.
Very worth it. Help me with the blanket.
I have this side.
Pull it. There. Yes. Perfect.
It looks so pretty on the grass.
Like a little home outside.
I love that.
Okay, sit down. Let's eat. Look at all this food.
It looks so good.
We worked hard for this.
You mean you walked hard for this?
3 trips, yes.
3 trips home.
But it was so worth it.
Yes, so worth it.
This sandwich is so good.
The cheese is my favorite part.
Try the grapes. Very sweet.
Oh, yes, so sweet.
I told you.
You always find the best fruit.
It's a gift.
Now try a cookie.
Okay. Oh my God.
Good? Maybe. That's so beautiful. Can I tell you something? I was thinking.
Isabella, this is amazing.
Really?
You have no idea. So good.
I used extra butter this time.
I can tell. I love it. Honestly, girl, you have no idea. Wait, listen. I love that for you. That's the vibe.
My mom will be so happy.
Your mom is a genius, like you. I am so full.
Me too. So full and so happy.
The sky is beautiful today.
Look at that cloud.
Which one?
The big one. It looks like a cat.
Oh, I see it. A fat cat.
A very fat cat.
With a big tail.
And little ears?
I love this. Just this. No work, no phone, no stress.
Just us. And the sky.
And cookies.
And cookies. Always cookies.
This is what life is about.
I agree. Can I draw for a little?
Of course. Take your time.
The ocean is so calm today. That's so beautiful. Can I tell you something? I was thinking, maybe.
Perfect for drawing.
I want to remember this light.
I will just rest here and watch.
First, the water line, then the palm trees, and the light on the water. I need more pink here. Yes, pink is right. And a little gold. There.
That is so pretty, Isabella.
It's not done yet.
But I can already see it.
See what?
The feeling, the warm, happy feeling.
That is so nice of you.
Honestly, girl, you have real talent.
You always believe in me.
Because it's true.
Elena?
Yes?
I was thinking, maybe that's so beautiful. Can I tell you something? I was thinking
About what?
we should do this every week. Maybe that's so beautiful. Can I tell you something? I was thinking,
A picnic every Saturday?
yes, just us, food and the ocean.
I love that. For you and for me.
Our Saturday thing.
Our Saturday thing. Yes, I love it. I think it's time to go.
Already? I don't want to leave.
Me too, but we can come back. Next Saturday? Next Saturday, I promise.
It was a perfect day.
A really, really perfect day.
Even with the 3 trips home?
Especially with the 3 trips home. Fold your side.
Like this? Maybe. That's so beautiful. Can I tell you something? I was thinking, that's so beautiful.
Yes, perfect.
We make a good team.
The best team in Miami.
Elena,
Yes?
thank you for today, for everything.
Oh, stop. You will make me cry.
Thank you too, Isabella.
For what?
For the cookies and the drawing. And for being you.
Now, I really want to cry.
Happy tears only.
Happy tears only.
Same time next Saturday?
Same time, same place.
And I will remember everything this time.
Even the sunscreen?
Even the sunscreen.
And the forks?
And the forks. And the water.
I believe you.
Maybe.
Maybe.